Hello mga kabarangay! Welcome to Barangay VA. Talaga naman kung ikaw ay isang Filipino aspiring VA or freelancer, then you came to the right video dahil simula ngayon, magsisimula na ang VA journey mo. And for sure, kung seseryosohin mo ito at tatapusin mo itong video na to at you will follow all these 3 steps, ay magiging VA ka na ngayong taon. By the way, ako si Jam. I'm the founder of Barangay VA, also known as Buhay Virtual Assistant. And my goal is to help you land your first client online as a freelancer or as a virtual assistant. Now, I've been doing this since 2020, no? Matagal-tagal na, pero ngayon ko lang nabuo ang sistema, no? Kung paano kayo matulungan para maging isang virtual assistant. At kita mo naman, these are just 5 of the 200 plus 240 plus reviews of my ways kung paano kayo maging VA. Ito ay isa sa mga iba sa mga kabarangay natin who went through this process already, no? Now, I know you want to be a VA too, kaya ka nandito sa video na ito. Kaya simulan na natin mga beshi. Paano nga ba? 3 steps mga besh, no? We officially launched our website, barangayva.com. It's linked in the description box. And dito nyo makikita yung 3 easy steps, simple steps kung paano maging isang virtual assistant ngayong taon. Study, plan, and apply. No? So, before anything else, I need you to access this website that is linked in our description box or madali lang barangayva.com, single G lang po yan, no? Let's start with the first step, study, no? Naniniwala ko na para matuto na maging kung paano maging isang virtual assistant ay dapat hindi binabayaran. Dapat libre ito. Kabuhayan to eh. Advocacy ko yan. Makatulong sa mga aspiring VAs kung paano maging isang virtual assistant or freelancer para makapag-ipon-ipon na at magkaroon ng kabuhayan from home na very, very convenient. Kaya naman ako'y gumawa ng free VA course or free Zero to VA challenge na nakalink nandiyan din po yan sa website natin, no? So check that out. Mamaya i-walkthrough ko kayo sa website, no? Check that out, no? That's free. You have to follow the steps lang. Kung gusto naman maging isang social media manager, then meron tayong Zero to SMM challenge. Take note guys, itong course na to, yung Zero to SMM challenge na to, dati itong paid. No, dati tong paid na ginawa ko ng libre para sa inyo kasi gusto ko lang talaga makatulong sa inyo. Para may backbone ba kayo kung paano kayo makapagsimula as a virtual assistant. Alright? At itong dalawang to, Zero to VA Challenge and Zero to SMM Challenge is 100% free. No? At sobrang malaman me. As in, nakita mo yung reviews kanina, nagkaroon ako ng reviews because dito, sobrang malaman siya and output-based. Kaya ako sa inyo, simulan mo na, no? And of course, ito, very, very simple lang naman to. Pero kung wala kayong time, pagdating sa videos, meron tayong audio version. So may podcast version tayo. Zero to VA Audio Learning Center. Alright? So, kung wala kayong oras mag-video, no, dito tayo sa audio. Pero hindi siya as complete as the rest. Pero kukumpletuhin ko to, don't worry, that next project ko yan, mga mi. Now, meron din tayong other resources such as my YouTube channel. Kung gusto nyo makita lahat ng mga previews, no? Lahat ng previous recording ng mga webinars natin nakalagay na dito para hindi na kayo mawala, no? Nakakompile na sa isang YouTube channel. So subscribe and click that notification bell kasi lahat ng magiging webinars natin na hindi mo mapupuntahan, ilalagay ko siya dito sa YouTube channel na ito. So go for it. Plus lahat ng ating learning modules ay naka-link dito. Kaya subscribe now. Dito din meron tayong podcast wherein I talk about real talk VA. Life talaga. Buhay VA life talaga. And dito I recently had 5 episodes interviewing mga current VAs and freelancers kung ano nga ba talaga ang buhay nila as a virtual assistant. So check it out as well. I think I have 140 plus episodes already here sa podcast natin. Also, dito sa ating FB page, dito ako lagi nakikipagtsikahan, dito ako lagi nag-update at dito ako nagwe-webinar, no? Yung webinar ko sa Zoom, dito ko siya ginagawang recording. So dito ko siya nila-live habang nag-webinar sa Zoom. So, kung gusto niyo ma-update, join na kayo dito. Plus, we have threads dito ko naglalagay ng mga rants ko, real-time rants as a virtual assistant, mga educational rants as well. Kung gusto nyo ng ganyan, dito rin ako nagpo-post ng mga job openings as well. So check out my threads, also link in my profile and link in the description box. And of course, meron tayong Barangay VA Learning Center na pwede sa desktop at pwede rin po sa ating phone, no? Just download NAS.io and then just join this. Anyways, nasa website din yan mga mi. Makikita nyo dyan. Anong laman yan? Nandito lahat ng mga free resources natin sa content section. And of course, dito din kayo ma-update sa mga events for the month. So dadagdagan pa natin yan. May events pa tayo for the month of February. Pero dito guys, ang kagandahan pag nasa telepono natin, ito ay mano-notify tayo sa mga bagong posting, no? Lahat ng mga announcements dito ko din nilalagay. Of course, nandito ang ating co-working space, our Discord, dito din tayo nag-a-announce. Dito lahat, dito kayo pwede magtanong, dito tayo pwede magchikahan. Guys, nandito din si Barangay VA University, Barangay Co-working, nandyan lahat guys. So dito din ako nagto-town hall meeting every once a month. Si Barangay VA Fiesta Night. So dito tayo magchichikahan, dito tayo magko-co-working, may mga job openings din dito. So join our Discord server as well. Now, after that, no, kunwari natapos mo na yung Zero to VA Challenge and talagang active ka sa mga activities at saka sa mga platforms si Barangay VA or Buhay Virtual Assistant. Number 2 is to take it seriously and materialize everything and take action. We need to plan your VA business plan. So, ang karamihan sa mga aspiring VAs ngayon ay nakarami ng mga resources online. Tapos, apply nang apply pero laging nare-reject, no? Kasi kahit most of them are really equipped, no? Pero mali lang kasi yung ways kung paano nila i-approach yung kanilang application. Now, this is the time where you need to start your VA journey, right? And start building your own VA business plan. Now, dito you learn about how to build your own VA identity, VA business identity, know your business identity. This is how you know how to build solutions for your client, how to package and price your services right, how to create that perfect profile para hindi ka mahirapang ibenta or you to sell yourself to your clients. And of course, dito makakita kayo ng mga simple business system para mapatakbo mo na ang VA or freelance business mo, no? And plus the tools na pwede mong gamitin na very helpful para makapagsimula ka na as a virtual assistant na legit, no? Once you plan that out, no, dito kasi may kita mo, dito makukuha mo yung 15 video manuals, your workbook, exclusive community, feedback on output by me personally, and free tools and template, anything to help you build that business plan. So I suggest that you should build your business plan now by clicking the link, yung plan, yung number 2, sa ating website, no? So it's like this. It's like this. Ma-access niyo yan. It's very mura guys, no? For the price, for what you'll get, very mura. Templates, modules, worksheets, lahat nandito na. Hindi ka na mawawala pa talaga sa VA business plan journey mo. And right after that, paghanda na yung business plan mo, number 3, you start applying, no? Barangay VA is partnered with 3 amazing agencies. MedVA, BizVA, and Coconut VA. If you are a VA agency and you're watching right now and you want to partner with Barangay VA, please message me at hello@barangayva.com and let's talk about it. But right now we have 3 official agency partners, MedVA, BizVA, and Coconut VA, and these are alam mo yun, VAs that I totally can really suggest to everyone kasi legit talaga ito. No, I don't just partner with VA agencies. I take a look at, you know, what's inside. No, kung talagang bongga para sa audience ko at ipapakilala ko sa inyo, pa-partner ako. Pero kung hindi, I will not partner. And that is the reason why every Fridays, meron tayong online job fair sa TikTok live ni Med VA and Coconut VA. Med VA every 8 p.m. and si Coconut VA every 9 p.m. to update you with the job openings, to answer all your questions and everything no, about the application process. At kung hindi nyo naabutan yan, don't worry, meron tayong mga application walkthrough for both Coconut VA and Med VA. You'll get to know who Med VA is, no? Who or Coconut VA is. Yung link sa ating help desk, meron tayong yan. Application form walkthrough and many, many more. Kaya kahit hindi mo naabutan yung mga webinars at yung mga live streams namin, may guide tayo para sa inyo. Susundan nyo lang, papanoorin nyo lang, you just have to be patient about it. And if you want to be updated with real-time job openings, you should join our VA job openings, guys. Ayan, no? VA job openings na broadcast channel sa ating Instagram account, jam.blauta. Doon ako consistently nagpo-post right now. Nasa 1.4K ata tayo doon. So please, join and join and join para ma-update kayo at ma-notify kayo every time may bago tayong job openings. Plus, I'm planning to add there like mga tips and tricks also kung paano maging isang virtual assistant sa broadcast channel na yon. So, everything is in the description box as well and in our website. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo mga beshi, no? Are you ready to start? Are you ready to be serious right now with your VA journey? Siseryosoy mo na ba yung steps 1, 2, 3? Kasi dito hindi pwedeng step 1 lang tayo. Kailangan lahat ng steps. Hindi pwedeng 1 and 3 lang tayo. Kailangan yung 2 din gawin nyo para full package, no? Para full package tayo. If you're ready to start, go ahead and check our website at barangayva.com and you will be able to access everything, no? So, once again, guys, welcome to Barangay VA, no? I am very, very excited to meet all of you. Hopefully, makasama kayo sa mga monthly, once a month natin na ang Barangay VA Fiesta Night para magkakilala tayo. Dito ako nagbibigay ng mga announcements. Dito tayo nag-meet and greet lahat virtually. So that's every first Saturday of the month. So kakatapos lang namin yesterday. And of course, sa March ulit tayo. So maraming salamat mga beshi. And I'm very excited to meet all of you. And I want to say good luck to your VA journey with Barangay VA. And I'll see you on the future events. Bye!